Martin, question.
Answer.
What is the sound of a one hand clap? Like one hand clap. What is the sound?
What is the sound of a one-hand clap?
Yeah.
Do you really want me to show you? Huh?
You tell me.
Depending if it had, does it gonna hit your cheek or your ass cheek? You know,
What?
you're not gonna do that with me. That's too obvious.
Have you seen the video?
No, I've not seen the video, but it's logic.
What?
It's logic.
One hand clap.
There is a Danish movie called A Clap med en hand, to clap with one hand, and it was something like somebody can actually clap with one hand,
Okay.
not me. You're not gonna do that
Do
one.
you want me to show you?
No, I don't want you to show me.
What do you think I'm about to do?
Slap me, of course. Obviously.
One hand